Deputy Zameer Ahmed Khan, Okkaligara Yuva Vedike Zameer Nelamangala Zameer Deputy Zameer
In Nelamangala, a protest erupted against Minister Zameer Ahmed Khan following his controversial remarks about caste, which were seen as discriminatory. The protest was organized by several community groups including Okkaligara Yuva Vedike, Okkaliga Welfare Development Association and other Okkaliga organizations along with BJP and JD workers. The demonstration began at the Kunigal Bypass and made its way to the Taluk Office where protesters carried portraits of the minister and raised slogans. The protest culminated in the burning of an effigy of Zameer Ahmed Khan. Protesters expressed their anger over the minister's statements, demanding an apology to former Chief Minister HD Kumaraswamy and calling for Zameer's removal from the state cabinet. They warned that if their demands were not met, protests would intensify across the state.